Good morning students. Today we are going to study factors and we will learn the method of prime factorization to find out the factors. So let us begin and try to understand what are the factors and how to find out the factors of a number. So over here I made a flower with 12 petals and in center also I have written 12. The reason behind is we are going to find out the factors of number 12 now. So the easiest method to find out is we will see number 12 comes in which all other tables. Now starting with number 1, every number comes in 1's table. So yes, 1 is the first number in which 12 comes. In 2's table, does 12 come? Yes, of course it comes in 2's table also. What about 3? Are you saying yes, ma'am? Okay, so you are right. Yes, it comes in 3's table also. What about 4? Yes, again it comes in 4's table. Does 12 comes in 5's table? No. Does 12 comes in 6's table? Yes, it comes in 6's table again. What about 7? I think no, right? What about 8? 12 doesn't comes in 8 table also. 12 doesn't comes in 9's table also. What about 10? No. What about 11? No. What about 12? Yes, it comes in 12's table. Now, if you see students, we have just find out the factors of number 12. It means the number 12 comes in all these numbers which are circled. And now if I have to arrange them properly, I'll find out that 12 comes in 1's table. And when 12 is multiplied by 1 is multiplied by 12, I get an answer 12. It means these two factors I have already written together. What about number 2? Who is the partner of number 2? Yes, 6 is the partner of number 2. So, 2 and 6. Done. What about the third number? Number 3, partner is 4. Yes. So, 3 and 4. If I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 factors have been written and that too also in a sequence. And now how to read? Read it in a method of U shape. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. It will be a ascending order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now, along with these factors, I want you people to focus on first important thing, that every number has 1 as a factor. Every number has 1 as a factor, and the greatest factor will be the number itself. I hope it is clear. We were looking for number 12 and we were finding that 12 number come in which all tables. So we get 6 such tables, and so we arrange the numbers in the pairs and we have written that 6 numbers as the factor of number 12. Second thing, we said 1 is the smallest factor and 1 is factor for every number. And the third thing, every number is itself the greatest factor. Is it clear? So now students, when we understand the meaning of factor here, now the next thing is we are going to understand what is HCF. HCF stands for highest common factor. When you say factor, we understand that factor means we are looking for the numbers which come in a table. But when you say common, it means we are comparing it with another number. And in that comparison, we are looking for the highest common factor. Let us see with the help of one example. Now, here we are going to calculate HCF of two numbers, 24 and 36. And we are going to use the method of prime factorization. Remember, we have already done prime factorization in which we will use only prime numbers. So the first prime number is 2, and since we know it's a even number and divisibility rule of 2 is also very clear to us, we can divide it by 2. I'll write the answer of division, that is 12. The next step will be again 12 is divisible by 2. We will write the answer here, that is 6. The next again the number is divisible by 2. We will write the answer 3. Now 3, which is not divisible by 2, I'll move to the next prime number. It is 3 itself and I get answer 1. So the factors for number 24 are 2, 2, 2, 3 times and then 3. Now let's find out the factors for number 36 also. The first factor, definitely it will be 2 itself. So when I divide it, I'll get answer 18. The next, again 18 is divisible by 2. We will get answer 9. Now 9 is not divisible by 2. We will move to the next prime number, which is 3. So 3 3s are 9. And the last step, I am going to divide 3 by itself and we get answer 1. So here we are going to write the factors of number 36, which is 2, 2 and 3 and 3. So now these are the factors which we have written. Now we have to find out what is common. It is having 2 times 2. It is having 2 times 2. Since we are having one extra 2, but in 36 we don't have that. We are having 1 time 3, 1 time 3 over here. So the common factors are 2, 2 and 3. And if I multiply 3 of them, I'll find out 2 2s are 4 and 4 3s are 12. Right? So the HCF for number 36 and 24 is, answer is 12. So let's see explanation once again. The explanation was about calculating HCF. When you are calculating HCF, we are using a prime factorization method to find the prime factors for number 24 first and then for number 36. After that, we are writing it in a sequence and then finding which is common. Now the common things are written once only and all together multiplied we get the answer 12. So we can say for HCF of number 24 and 36 is number 12. I hope it's clear to everyone. Now students, there is an example of finding HCF of number 44, 60 and 36 in your book, page number 33. I just want you people to go through with that. Now over here, number 44, we have used first prime number and we find it out. Here they stopped till the time they get the prime number. So you can also do that, but the thing is then you have to write 11 also in your factors. Next number 60, they divided by 2 first, then again 2, we get answer 15. Now 15 is not divisible by 2, so we move to the next prime number. And finally we reach to the last prime number 5. And over here the factors of 36 are also given in the form of prime factorization method. After writing all the factors together, we are comparing that the common factor should be common for all of them. Over here, can you see 3 in 60 and 2 times 3 in 36? But we don't have any 3 in 44. That's why 3 is not counted and we have counted 2 times 2. And the final answer for these three numbers is 4. It means HCF of 44, 60 and 36 is 4.